just a fan. You don't hold rank. Don't hold no rank.
So today I'm going to be showing you how I style my hair to make it look natural, you know what I'm saying. I got this hair, well this is basically beauty supply store hair, so I just, you know, did this video to prove to you guys that, you know, you don't have to have a $500 wig to make it look real. So I basically showed you how I customize the hair to, you know, get it all nice like this. All right, so if you want to basically see how I achieve this look, keep watching.
I know that you've been waiting for it, I'm waiting too.
Don't feel pressure to pluck your lace. I never pluck them. I'm just showing you guys. If you want to, you can use any tweezer, but you don't have to pluck your lace. Like, it's fine. Don't pluck it. Next, I'm taking the Got To Be Glued spray, and I'm using that to kind of make my powder last longer. So just spray it on your hair and then wait about 10 to 20 seconds, and then take your powder and your brush and start applying the powder to make the knots disappear. It's gonna really help where you see the lace, but where you see that little silk base area, it's not really gonna help that much, so we're gonna have to go in again, but you guys will see. Now I'm just making my part, and I basically always part the unit down the middle, whether I'm doing a middle part when I put it on or a side part. I always just part it down the middle. It's easiest for me, so I do that. So this next step is really key to making your units look natural. So you're going to want to take a curling rod and basically using that to flatten the area around your part to make it look flat and nice on your head. So this next step is totally optional. You don't have to do this, especially for a new wig, but I kind of had mine on the counter, so I needed to flat iron it a little bit. So I used really low heat because I kind of want to keep the texture of the hair. So I'm using this flat iron from Duval.com, and the brush that I'm using is also from Duval. So I'll have links in the description box. So I'm just adding powder one more time where I parted my hair to make it completely natural and seamless. And then I'm just going to cut the lace from the hair. So make sure when you cut the lace, you don't cut all of the lace. Always leave about a ½ an inch because it just makes it look that much natural. So after doing my edges and putting on my wig cap off camera, and side note, if you're a longtime subscriber of mine, you know my edges have come a long way because I used to go on camera without my edges laid. Sad times. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to see more from me, definitely hit the subscribe button. Also, if you want to see more like hair videos from me, let me know down below. You know, this is kind of out of my comfort zone, so just let me know if you like this video. All right, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.